Hey guys, my name is Rich. So I'm going to show you guys the debug menu, developer menu. Just found that out a little bit ago. I'm going to show you guys how to access it. Turn it on. So far I've been waiting for the diagnostics to get over that and then access the menu. So I don't know, you could probably access it right away, but it's probably better just to let it run. Alright, so you hit the little nozzle, you're in the settings menu, you see the little Wi-Fi signal, hold that, should beep twice, now you're hit with a play button, and the developer menu, hit that, and you're in. You got these right here, AI config, that's for the camera. Take photographs, logs, commands, basically command line. Control the heating and the temperature bed in the bed. Video, put it in factory mode. I don't know how far back that'll set you. So hardware, software, I'm assuming. Point level, switch, accelerometer, max speed, potentially you could probably make it faster, max acceleration, K value, motor pulse, monkey, jerk, node bias, current, test mode, ID creator, level value, camera light. Yeah. Just make sure you use your Google Lens when you go into these menus. Obviously they put them in Chinese mode, so make it a little bit more harder, but ADB mode, that's the kicker. This is in, and this right here is upgrade. So it'll tell you run while on, plugged in, something. I don't know. I'll post a picture of it. So back. Exit, then to get rid of the menu, turn it off. You should be good to go. But just be aware, messing with the ADB, yeah, if you don't know what you're doing, definitely stay away from it, because you could mess it up unless you have like somehow to reflash the board. Yeah, she's good. Back to normal. Anyway, subscribe if you like it. Want to see more stuff? I'll post it as soon as I know. So the board runs through a developer board, I guess, that they used from the, let me see, Zhongjing Corporation. So they're using that, and that's where you get the dual core and stuff like that. So, but you can only access it enabling a VPN, so you can access the stuff from China. So you just say you need a VPN, otherwise it'll be a little bit more difficult for you. So doing that, yeah, see that? Enable a VPN, and bam! Would you look at it here? Yeah. Oh, let's refresh that. The same page. So of course, you know, the regular board, that's not to say the motherboard on the Anker has everything, you know, but it's a motherboard, but it incorporates this too. So you can see it's got a lot of stuff going for it. A lot of different things you can do to this thing. Let's see, take a look here. Of course, using the Open Harmony. It's a little bit of what it should look like on the motherboard. This right here. Oh, that right there is the kicker. So yeah, Zhenzheng X2000 development board, Open Harmony. This is for the Zhenzheng X2000 Haley 5 development board, based on the Zhenzheng X2000 chip. So you can see the hardware parameters. You do a lot of stuff if you know what you're doing. You got network configuration steps. Configure the IP address of the NIC. Oh, reping the router address. So you could definitely probably connect to this. So I don't know. It just depends on what the motherboard looks like and what you can do through the USB-C or Wi-Fi. So or Bluetooth. I mean, it's possible. Let's see. Let me make it bigger. Ah, there it is. Yeah. So yeah, if this is right, there should be a little TF card slot in there maybe on the motherboard. So hopefully they kept everything, because you could definitely hook up a screen to this for debugging. Let's see. I am not a robot. Bus, bus, bus. Pew. Oh, yeah, I missed one. It still made me go through. Go figure. But yeah, but this little board right here, this evaluation board, yeah, that sucker's expensive. I mean, take a look at that. 2 of them. Minimum order 420. So 210 bucks to get you one of these boards to mess with. I mean, you got your kit and tools, you got your hardware development tools, software development tools. Yeah, so you can mess with this thing. So I'll leave you guys to that. Let's see what they got. Take a look at this data sheet right here. So this is the Haley 5 development kit for AI OT. Okay, it's got a lot of good things for it. Open source. That's good. Edge deep learning. Detection solutions, human body detection, vehicle detection. So that, yeah, this thing is built for AI. But just to give you a view of what's possible, there's the little camera board you can order. It comes with it for debugging. Comes with 2 cameras. And there's the system diagram. I know it's showing up pretty good on screen. But yeah, there we go. So you can see it. Cool. So yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. Well, that's it for that one. Well, if you like what you see, subscribe and keep watching.